Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Soot and Ladders, Moyra Foil Polish FP03, and then Beauty Big Bang XL032. Yes, I know I've used it in 2 videos, but I'm starting with Nailtique's Formula 2, and this is KB Shimmer's Soot and Ladders. It was a gift from my friend Miss Tammy over at Mrs. K's Corner. And y'all excuse me swatching and showing the ugly nail that's got a big patch on it. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess because that's normally the nail I show. It's easy to reach. I can get a good camera angle on it. But it is funky. After I got that gel polish off, it was looking a little gnarly. So, there we go with our first coat of Soot and Ladders. Got to cap this free edge here. Just trying to hang on to it long enough for it to grow out. You know how that is. So we're going to go in with the second coat. And this is a beautiful black polish. And it's got all sorts of little micro glitters and shimmers in it. It's so pretty. From here it doesn't look like much. But it really's got some bling. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. And now hopefully you can see a little bit of that bling in there. It's so pretty. I didn't want just a straight up black. I wanted something with something in it. Oh, it's so pretty. Sorry, that blurry. So there we go. We've got our 2 coats and top coat. There's the swatch photo. We're going to do Beauty Big Bang XL032, my Conad stamper, and my Maniology scraper, and Moyra's FP03. This is their foil stamping polish. And I got a little piece of foil out here. There's no telling where that foil came from. Probably AliExpress or something. You know how you get those big sets of them? So this was going to be my attempt to a beautiful, New Year's Eve fireworks kind of, manicure. And I'm going right in with that foil. I'm doing one nail at a time, and I'm tapping. And to be honest with you, in real life, this looks really, really good. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and the plate's getting cleaned with acetone. But as far as photography goes, this did not show up well on camera at all, even in my swatch photos. I took a gazillion photos, and it was just not jiving. So my apologies. I'm hoping you can get the gist and, all that good stuff. So here we go with some more tapping. I did that image on my ring fingernail, my middle nail, and my thumbnail. So, got a lot of bling and metallic going on. Sorry, I'm out of frame. There we go. I am going to use a piece of tape to get up some of the excess polish and foil. So there we go. And now I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush. And this is my Maniology cleanup brush. I really do like it. I've already got a backup ready. They get a lot of abuse. That acetone's some rough stuff, y'all. So I wanted to make sure I had a backup ready. Because to me, that's the gem. The gem of the deal. I'll be topping this with Revolution by Picture Polish. It is for going over foil so that they don't crackle. And it's very water-based, so, you're going to have to use something else after you get done with that. Hi, Woody. How you doing? You're doing pretty good. So there's that. And now I'm going to top it with Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. It's been a hot minute since I've used this top coat, and I really do like it. I just, I've only got the one bottle. I don't have any more refill left, so we're stretching it out. I'm going to cap my free edge here. But I really ended up enjoying this one. I thought it was pretty fun, a little different for me. I didn't want to just straight up stamp. I wanted to throw in something extra, and today that would be foils. So I'm going to cap that free edge and call this one to did. To done, to did, whatever. So since it didn't film well, I'm giving you a little bit of bling bling, action shot. But here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, Be good to yourself.